friends. I know I was just talking at the camera, but I was blasting copyrighted music, so I don't know if I can put it in there or not. Guys, is Banana Hammock Bay actually going right now? Banana Hammock Bay is one of the most difficult places to score in all of Middle West Michigan. And it might kind of sort of be going. This is the best Banana Hammock Bay I've seen in months, years actually, 100% years. If it starts breaking off of this little point, I gotta look for traffic behind me. Look at that bomb out there. Look at that bomb feathering out back. Good Lord. Oh, Banana Hammock Bay. What do you say? I gotta be careful for cars. Look at that one. Holy shit balls. Look at them breaking out back. Oh. Banana Hammock Bay. Look at that little one. Oh, gosh. Man, it's just not quite big enough. It's close, though. Oh, Banana Hammock Bay is such a hard spot to score. Look at them. Look at these ones. Off the rocks. You wouldn't surf over here, but man, Banana Hammock Bay is close. Let's hope Headbanger's working. What of sand right here. Kind of small. Darn it. Kind of small. Kind of messy. Could be little fun ones. Yeah, there might be some clean ones for the 9 down by the pier. I'm hopeful. That's a wave. That's definitely a wave. Wow. Pretty warm too.